What's up, guys? I'm Salim Kabir, popularly known as Salim by Forex. I trade both Forex and crypto market. I'm going to talk about how people take trading in this financial market. So many people see trading as something easy, but the truth is that it is difficult if you lack discipline and patience. So others see trading as impossible, yet it can be simple when you gain the right knowledge and stay consistent. So why don't we see more Hausa traders among the world's top traders? Why? There is one reason, is that many people don't take opportunities seriously until they see someone making money from them. Instead of you guys to be learning early and building experience, they wait until success becomes visible. So if I could remember, I think back 4 to 5 years ago, there were people who look at me like I was crazy. I don't know what I'm doing, because of how I committed into trading. But I didn't let that stop me. I didn't let that stop me. I stayed patient, faced challenges, made mistakes, took a lot of losses, and I keep learning. I keep learning. So the biggest reason why so many traders fail is that they only see someone's success and never see the struggle behind it. That's the major problem. So they see the profit but not the sleepless night. The losses is the lesson, and we can say losses are just a lesson in trading, and the years of hard work and others. So people doesn't see that. Who told you that your journey has to be as difficult as this? Bro, if you are willing to stay disciplined, learn continuously, just keep learning, proceed learning, and remain patient, you can achieve success too, bro. You can achieve it. My advice to you guys is very simple. It is not too late to start learning about trading. Trading is still full of opportunities. Stop waiting for proof from others before believing in yourself. So start learning, stay focused, and keep improving. Knowledge, patience, and consistency will always separate successful traders from the rest. That's it. So please start by now. Start now. You are not late.